Hello, my dear fabulous language adventurer friends. Welcome to our channel. I am your assistant teacher, Emma. I am very happy to see you today. Now, please relax. Take your tea, take your coffee, maybe even hot chocolate. Sit back, be comfortable, and listen carefully. Today, we will learn something different. Very useful. This, that, these, those. Yes, only 4 words, but believe me, they can save your life when you are abroad. First, please open the subtitles of this video. It'll help you catch all the magnificent nuances of our topic today. Read in English. If you want, read in your own language too. Believe me, this will help you understand better. Okay, let's start. Now, imagine this. You've just traveled and landed in another country. You're A1 level, which means you can probably say hello and thank you and maybe? You're feeling brave and you're feeling hungry. You go to a cafe, but you see a croissant. Delicious. Oh, the smells, the sights, all those glorious pastries. But then panic sets in. You don't know the language. How do you ask for that delicious-looking, sugar-dusted, chocolate-filled masterpiece right there? You don't know the word for it. You point to it and say, "This, please." Boom! You just ordered breakfast. Now, imagine you are shopping. You see 2 pairs of shoes. Sparkly shoes. Beautiful shoes. You point and say, "I want these." Great! You don't need difficult words. Just say, "these." Or imagine you are with your friend. She shows you a dress. You don't like it. You make a face and say, "I don't like that." English and friendship in one short sentence. And now imagine it's raining in London. Of course, as always, you see your friend's umbrella. You say, "Can I use that?" Perfect. Survival English. So, repeat after me. This, that, these, those. You are great. Well done. Good job. Now, let's play a tongue twister. Say this fast with me. These shoes, those shoes. These shoes, those shoes. Try 5 times. If you can do it, woo, you are amazing. Now, let's practice more. Imagine you see chocolate. You say, "I want this." If you see 2 chocolates, you say, "I want these." If your cousin has chocolate, you point and say, "I want that." If she has 3 chocolates, you shout, "I want those." Well done. See? English is sweet, like chocolate. Look around you now. Point at something near you. Say, "This is my," maybe "this is my phone," or "this is my book." Well done. Good. Now point at something far from you. Say, "That is my bag." Excellent. But please be careful. Students often make mistakes. They say, "This shoes are nice." It is wrong. Say, "This shoe is nice." It is correct because there is 1 shoe. Say, "These shoes are nice." It is correct because there are many shoes. The same with that and those. Don't say, that people are funny. It is wrong because the word people is plural. Say, those people are funny. Yes, it is correct. Let's have some fun. Imagine a movie, a horror movie. It is dark. You hear a noise. You say, "What is that?" Scary. Or imagine a romantic movie. Someone gives you flowers. You smile and say, "This is beautiful. Aw, so sweet." Now, a small poem for you. This or that. These or those. English is simple. Everybody knows. Just point your finger. Don't be slow. Say it with style and let it show. Good, right? Shakespeare is jealous now. Okay, makeup time. You have lipstick in your hand. Say, this lipstick is red. You see another lipstick. Say, that lipstick is pink. Now you hold many lipsticks. Say, these are my lipsticks. You look at your friend's lipsticks. Say, those are ugly. Be honest. Let's repeat again. This means one thing near you. That means one thing far from you. These means many things near you. Those means many things far from you. In a world full of endless vocabulary, sometimes you only need 4 small words to get what you want. Easy. Only 4 words, and now you can survive your first week abroad. So, what is the moral of the story? Sometimes in life, you don't need long sentences. Sometimes just "this, please" is enough. Simple words, big power. Now your homework. Don't worry, it's easy. Watch this video again tomorrow. Repetition is important and is the key for success. Every day, say this, that, these, those. Practice, point at things, annoy your family, learn faster. After this video, go around your room, point at 10 things. Say, this is my pen, that is my bag, these are my shoes, those are my books. Done. You are doing absolutely fantastic. Seriously, your brain is like a sponge, soaking up all this wonderful English. Give yourself a pat on the back or a high five or whatever way you celebrate yourself. You earned it. You are doing amazing, really. You are learning step by step. You are strong. You are smart. Wow, honestly, I'm proud of you. Now, comment below. Tell me the things around you. Can you name with this, that, these, those? Maybe 5 things? Maybe 10. Write them. Also, tell me which is better. These shoes or those shoes? Let's fight in the comments. Haha. And send this video to your friend who always says, this shoes. Please save them. We need those people. And now it is time to say goodbye. But don't worry, we will meet again in the next video. I will be waiting for you there. Hurry up! I can't wait! I'm already excited for our next linguistic adventure. So, until then, stay curious and keep those ears open. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Or else, I will steal your Wi-Fi and watch Netflix all day. Just kidding. But you might just miss the most important language lesson of your life. You've been warned. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.